Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. As I've already explained you that there is a higher chances we can see there will be a fall in the natural gas prices because there is a continuous low we have seen. Okay, and this price we have seen after June of $23. Okay, and chances can be high for the fall we can see. If you look at this trend, now the price is trading at a level of $2.930. Okay, and there is a higher chances of further fall as we can see a doji candle is forming at this particular level. Okay, why there is a higher chances of moving further low? Two reasons are there. Okay. As per technicals, what you can see overall trend, if you look at, there is a continuous downfall. These two levels are high at a level of 3.5 and a level of 3.6, these two. Okay, and there is opposite U pattern is forming. This is opposite U pattern and this is a U pattern is forming. If you have to look at this particular trend, there is a clear pattern forming. What it is showing that, see, this is a U pattern and then from there is a downfall. So once the price started sustaining our level of $2.75, keep that in mind. There is a upside we can see. The second pattern is forming here, a long-term pattern I'm saying. So probability is higher, and I've already explained that as soon as the price started falling below 2.7 and if it started moving below a level of 2.5, a further downfall we can see, and chances are high it will cross a level of 2.1 also, and from there it will fall below a level of $2. Why? Because there is a higher chances of going further. Now if you look at this particular trend, chances of moving further downfall we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular trend. What we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, chances of going towards a level of 2.3054 is there if the price fall below this level, and if started moving below that particular level, we will see it will fall further down towards $2.2124 is there. Okay, and if the price started moving below $2.2124, a further fall we can see towards a level of $2.1524, and if it started moving below this level, it will fall below a level of $2.054. Why I'm telling you this? Because there is a higher chances of moving further low in the price of natural gas. So if it started moving below a level of $2.054, a probability of touching a level of $1.9528 will be there, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 1.8. Okay, keep that in mind that as soon as started moving below 1.9, because this level we have not seen since 2020 May, so chances are very high that it will move further down towards 1.7 and to a level 1.6, and there is a higher chances that it can cross a level of 1.5 also. Okay, why? Because there is this level we have seen after 3 years, so chances of moving further low is there because there will be a zone breakout, so chances of going further down will be there. But one thing what you have to understand is that, see, a trend is down continuous. We can see, yes, it will move upside, it will move downside. Okay, but if we look at the high and low of these candles, that means you have to be ready with this volatility. How you will be ready? First of all, you have to save the capital. How you can save the capital? By putting SL. Suppose the trade does not move as per you, so the SL will save your capital. If you are saving your capital, you can take large amount of trades also. And second thing is that you have to trail your SL. If you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. If you are saving your profit, then you can build confidence also, and you can trade with ease also, and then a good positivity will be there. Now suppose if it tries to swing, make a swing, okay, and sustain what is trading at. So if it's tried to sustain, then we can see it will go towards a level of $2.4949 if the price sustains this level, and if it started going over that level, we can see a level of $2.5321. Okay, and once the price started moving above that level, probability of going towards a level of $2.57 will be there, and chances of touching a level of 2.7064 is there. Once the price started moving above that level, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of $2.924, because I have already suggested you that if the price started moving above a level of $2.7064, chance of touching a level of 2.94 is there. If the price started going above that level, it will cross a level of around $3.031, Okay, and this level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see the price will go further upside and it will touch a level of $3.378. Okay, and if started moving above that level, probability of going towards a level of 3.5 to a level of 3.6. Keep that in mind that as soon as started sustaining over 2.7, chance of touching a level of $3 will be there, and from there a level of 3.3. If started going above that level, we will see it will cross a level of around 3.7. Okay, and from there a further upside movement we can see, and then we can see it will touch a level of $3.9610. Okay, and if started going above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Once the price started moving over 3.9, then we can see this gap can be filled and a probability of moving further upside will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,